Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will study about nutritional requirements of bacteria. So in this we will learn about the sources of nutrition. Source of energy, chemotrophs. These rely on the chemical compounds for their energy. Phototrophs are those bacteria which utilize the radiant energy, light. Source of electrons are required for the metabolism process. Lithotrophs that use the reduced inorganic compounds as electron donor. Organotrophs are those which use organic compounds as electron donor. Source of carbon. Carbon is required for the synthesizing of cell components. On the basis of source of carbon, bacteria can be said as autotrophs or heterotrophs. Autotrophs are those which use the carbon dioxide as a major source of carbon. Heterotrophs are those which require organic compounds as source of carbon. Sources of nitrogen. Some bacteria can use atmospheric nitrogen while others use inorganic compounds like nitrates, nitrites, etc. or organic compounds, amino acids. Source of oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus. ऑक्सीजन को प्रोवाइड किया जा सकता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाटर और मॉलिकुलर ऑक्सीजन. सल्फर जो होता है उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ सर्टेन अमीनो एसिड्स लाइक सिस्टीन, मिथ्योनाइन. सोर्सेज क्या हो सकते हैं सल्फर के? ऑर्गेनिक सल्फर कंपाउंड्स, इनऑर्गेनिक एंड एलिमेंटल सल्फर, phosphorus. It is the essential component of nucleotides, nucleic acids, phospholipids, etc. और इसे सप्लाई किया जाता है in the form of phosphate. We should also know about the various elements that are required by bacteria. About 95% of bacteria is composed of macroelements, while the rest are microelements or trace elements. Potassium, it is used in the protein synthesis and in function of various enzymes. Iron is required as a cofactor for many enzymes. Molybdenum is required in the nitrogen fixation. Water. In bacteria case, all nutrients must be in aqueous solution before they can enter the cells. Vitamins. These are required as coenzymes for several enzymes or as a building block for coenzymes. Some bacteria are able to fulfill the requirement of vitamins from other compounds, but some bacteria will not grow unless required vitamins supplied performed in the medium. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest updates. Stay tuned with my channel by clicking the bell icon. If you have any query, then please write it in the comment box. You can also suggest the topic for the video in the comment box.